Minister Dr. Zainuddin sent his best regards to all present in this forum. Assalamu alaikum and very good afternoon. YB Tan, Professor Emeritus Dr. Kenji Yamaji, Mr. Shinya Ejima, Honorable Director General of JICA, Mr. Yutaka Matsuzawa, Director of Research and Information, Ministry of Environment, Japan, Mr. Sutomo Nage, Chief Representative of JICA of Malaysia, Dr. Shuso Nishioka, Secretary of Institute of Global Environmental Strategies, and Dr. Benjamin, Federal Commissioner of IRDA. Ladies and gentlemen, the launching of Low Carbon Asia Research Project Symposium workshops marks the official beginning of this major joint research between two countries, namely Japan and Malaysia. And UTM, as one of the research universities, will be leading the Malaysian researchers to work with a team of top Japanese environmental engineers and researchers from Kyoto University, National Institute of Environmental Studies, and Okayama University. This project will work closely with IRDA and the local authorities as the main implementing agencies and other government policy makers, such as Ministry of Housing and Local Government, Ministry of Energy, Water and Green Technology, and Ministry of Natural Resources and Environment. This symposium, I hope, serves as a platform for scientists and researchers to discuss pertinent issues in development of low-carbon society scenarios for ASEAN or Asian regions. It aims to further strengthen the collaboration and cooperation already established among the participating universities and key government authorities such as IRDA and other local authorities. Now, the case project chosen for the research is Iskandar, Malaysia, as a model region and aims to establish the scenario development methodology that serves as best practice for other Asian regions. In line with its role in the region, this research work low carbon project in Iskandar, Malaysia is timely and appropriate for UTM, as we have advantage as a premier research university strategically located in the heart of Johor's economic development. Ladies and gentlemen, the project also hopes to contribute to society by empowering researchers and policymakers to apply the developed methodology to design practical and effective low-carbon policies in Malaysia and Asia. UTM will play the research and training hub for scientists and researchers in Asia for the advancement of development of low-carbon society scenarios in ASEAN region. Ladies and gentlemen, UTM would also like to take the opportunity to thank JICA, JSP for providing the SATREPS grant and funding this mini research to promote sustainable low-carbon region for Iskandar, Malaysia. I understand this one of the first joint research projects in Malaysia under prestigious SUSTRAPS program. We would also like to thank Institute of Global Environmental Strategies, Japan, for the sponsorship and co-organizing this important event. Lastly, I would like to thank Kyoto University, Okayama University, and National Institute of Environmental Studies for their continuous and generous support given to UTM. My sincere appreciation to the members of the organizing committee for their hard work and dedication to help ensure the success of this symposium. To all, I wish you a meaningful and rewarding experience in Johor Bahru. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.